Go ahead. This is Lauren and her first time in her Johnny Jump Up. We just bought it. She's exploring right now.
Yeah.
She's such a big girl. Lauren, you gonna bounce? Show everyone you can bounce. Go ahead. Bouncy, bouncy. Yay!
Bounce, Lauren.
Good job.
There you go.
She's almost 4 months. She's got like a week and a half till she's 4 months old. Such a big girl.
Yeah.
Hi, Mama. Hello, Mama. Oh, let me get your arm.
Look at her head, though. Is that okay for her neck?
Yes, Adam. God, Daddy's worried about everything.
Yeah, her head like whips, like fucking whiplash.
Adam, you don't need to swear, do you?